Hi guys, today I have a Nintendo Animal Crossing Backpack Buddy Mystery Blind Bag. And there are a total of 8 different figures you could collect. You could get Isabelle, Tom Nook, KK Slider, Porter, Timmy/Tommy, Blathers, Pelly, or Sable. And then it also says look out for the rare chase character. And right now I'm going to be opening one of these, but I have like 20 something more of these that I will be opening in a future video. So stay tuned for that video. It should be uploaded soon. So let me open one of these first. So I would really like to see what the chase figure is, especially because I got so many of these. So it comes in this little things. And then this is Sable. So let's get Sable out. Let me put this to the side. Here's Sable. Pretty cool. It says Animal Crossing and you could clip it onto something. Not bad. So since this does not stand up, I won't be able to show her on my rotating stand. This little piece of plastic came off. And it is a pretty cool figure. So I can't wait to open all of the other Animal Crossing blind bags. And hopefully we could also pull the chase. And anyways, thanks for watching for now and stay tuned for the next video. Hi guys, today I have a massive Animal Crossing Backpack Buddies blind bags opening. I think I'm going to take the other blind bags out of this box so there is more space over here. So as you can see, there's a massive pile of Animal Crossing blind bags over here. So I'll start with the first one. This is an Animal Crossing blind bag from Nintendo. You can get Isabelle, Tom Nook, KK Slider, Porter, Timmy/Tommy, Blathers, Pelly, or Sable. I actually opened one of these before. And you can also get out a rare chase character. And since I have so many over here, I have more than 20, maybe like 25. I should have a good chance at getting the chase. And I did have a full box of these. So anyways, I'll start opening this one. So each one comes with this little like piece of paper around it. Looks like we have Tom Nook over here. So I think I'm going to leave the characters like this. And then at the end, I'll show them all up close. In case I get duplicates and everything, I think that will make this video faster. So let's open up the second one. So this is Pelly. Let's move on without having all of these fall. No duplicate yet, which is pretty good. Looks like we have Timmy/Tommy, I think. Yep, this is Timmy/Tommy. Slightly smaller than the other ones. We have our first duplicate, another Pelly. Let's continue with the video. Some of these are harder to open than others. Maybe I should just use a scissor for them. That might be faster. This is KK Slider. And
comment down below and let me know if you think I'm going too fast or too slow, and then for a future video I'll know. I think this is a fair speed to go when I have this many to open. We have Sable. This one feels a little bit bigger. This is kind of loose, so that's probably why. This is Isabel. No chase yet. Here's Isabel and KK Slider. We pulled both of them together. Comment down below and let me know which Nintendo game is your favorite. I've actually never played Animal Crossing, so let me know if you think I should play it. I might have actually played the demo ones, but for a really short period of time. So we have Timmy and Tommy. So we have both of these in one pack. Last time, let me get that one, we only pulled one of them. So that is really interesting. So maybe this is the chase with both of them together. But they do look the same. So this might be the chase, but I'm not sure. So let's open some other packs and see what we get. Anyways, let's continue. We still have a lot of characters to get. We still need Porter and we still need Blathers. I guess that's only 2 characters, but out of 8, that's 25% of them. So we have this character again. This is Tom Nook. Another duplicate. Maybe we could pull another chase if the thing I pulled before is the real chase. So we have Tom Nook again. Still no Blathers or Porter. Here we go. So here is Porter. Pretty cool. And as I said before, I'll show all the figures up close at the end, which will save a lot of time. So let's open this one up. Here is Blathers. I hope I'm saying the name right. So we have the entire set, which is pretty good. And I don't know if we did pull the chase or if that was not the chase, but let's see. We still have a lot more of these to open. We have another KK Slider. Another Blathers the Owl. So let's continue. My camera actually fell, so that's why I had to pause the video. You see, so again, we only pulled one of these, so maybe the other one was the chase when we pulled both of them together. Another Porter. Another Porter again. What are the chances? Another duplicate. I think we only got one Isabelle so far, and we've already gotten more than one of each other character. Maybe not of Pelly and Sable either. I did pull Sable in the other video. So here we go. Here's Pelly. This one is crushed a little bit more. It's another Isabelle. So let's continue. Another KK slider. And I wonder if after making this video, I'll actually try Animal Crossing. And then maybe I'll like it so much and I'll actually use almost all of these clips on different book bags that I have. That would be really interesting. We have another Tom Nook. Let's see. We have another Porter. We're down to our last 3 blind bags. And I think these ones were the ones that were in the bottom of the box. So there's a chance we could pull another one of the Chase figures. Because I did get like packs from 2 boxes. We have another Isabelle. Another Isabelle again, 2 in a row, and then we're down to our final pack. Let's see. We have another Timmy/Tommy. So once again, we only have one. We don't have a double one, so I guess the double one was the Chase. So let's see everything we got now. So I have them set on the side, which is why you probably can't see much in the camera. And I'm going to say how many of each we got. So it looks like we got 4 Isabelles. Next up is Tom Nook. We have 4 Tom Nooks. Then it's KK Slider. We have 3 KK Sliders. 4 Porters. And in the Timmy/Tommy, we have 2 of the normal ones. And then 1 with the double one, which I'll show in a second. Or a minute, we'll see. And then for Blathers, we have 3 of them. For Pelly, we have 3. And for Sable, we have 1 that I opened in this video and 1 which I opened in the last video. So that's the one I have the least of. So here is the normal version of Timmy/Tommy on the left. And I guess the one on the right is the Chase version. Since it contains both of them,